Hello! In this video, we will be talking about theories of aging, biological theories and random events. In the biological theories, random events, there are 8 theories. But in this video, we will only be talking about 4 theories: wear and tear, cross-linking, rate of living, and free radical theories. The first theory is wear and tear theory. The wear and tear theory proposes that the human body will wear out after time and repeated use. The repeated use of parts of the body, such as tissues and cells, will cause bodily parts to wear out, thus destroying the parts, then the whole body. The causes of wear and tear are that radiation, toxins, and ultraviolet UV light may cause genetic harm. Biological systems, such as nerve cells in the brain, do not regenerate themselves throughout life. The impacts of the body's own functioning can potentially be damaging. And lastly, when oxygen is metabolized, free radicals are created which can harm cells and tissues. The management of wear and tear is doing regular physical activity. Exercise improves circulation, joint flexibility, and muscle strength, helping slow the physical breakdown of body systems. Another way to manage it is by stress reduction. Chronic stress speeds up body wear by increasing inflammation, but practices like mindfulness, meditation, and leisure activities can help reduce this effect.
The second theory is free radical theory. This theory suggests that aging results from accumulation of damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are molecules with unpaired electrons that are naturally produced in our bodies. When free radicals exceed antioxidants, the molecules that will neutralize free radicals, oxidative stress will occur. Over time, because of the free radicals accumulation, it will lead to cell dysfunction, tissue breakdown, functional decline, and age-related diseases such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. Next, the causes of free radical production include 1. Mitochondrial respiration, reactive oxygen species, ROS. A type of free radicals are produced during cellular respiration. Number 2, inflammatory responses. During inflammation, activated immune cells such as neutrophils will produce large amounts of ROS and RNS to combat pathogens. Lastly, environmental factors also contribute to production of free radicals significantly. For example, UV radiation, pollutants, and toxins from cigarette smoke. The prevention strategies that can be made are: consume antioxidant-rich food like berries, spinach, and green tea. Exercise regularly. Avoid unhealthy lifestyle such as smoking and drinking alcohol. And limit exposure to pollution and sunlight.
Next, we will look onto rate of living theory. According to this theory, peoples and other living organisms have a specific amount of metabolic energy during their lifespan. This theory suggests that the faster an organism uses its metabolic energy, the shorter its lifespan. When our bodies have high metabolic rates, they produce more reactive oxygen species during the process of energy production. Then, reactive oxygen species cause cumulative cellular damage to DNA, proteins, and lipids over time. This ongoing cellular damage is a key factor that contributes to the aging process. There are several ways to boost your metabolism. Firstly, eat plenty of protein. Include enough protein in your meals helps increase your metabolism. Regular physical activities such as exercising or even simple stretches can help keep your metabolism active. Other than that, staying hydrated is essential. Drinking water can temporarily speed up your metabolism. Quality sleep is crucial for a healthy metabolism. You should aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night.
The last theory in our video is about cross-linking theory. According to this theory, an accumulation of cross-linked proteins damages cells and tissues, then will slowing down the bodily processes and resulting in aging. In this theory, it is the binding of glucose to protein that causes various problems. Once this binding has occurred, the protein becomes impaired and is unable to perform as efficiently. It started when glucose bind to protein during glycation and produce advanced glycation end products, AGEs. These AGEs create abnormal cross-links of protein.
This makes our tissues stiffer and less flexible when accumulation in tissues occur, leading to problems like wrinkled skin, stiff joints, hardened arteries, cataracts, and even Alzheimer's disease.
Causes of cross-linking include excess sugar in the body that will produce many AGEs and create sticky crosslinks. Next is because UV radiation that increase collagen crosslink formation. Moreover, free radicals, imbalances, or oxidative stress that damages the protein and DNA, therefore triggers abnormal bonding. Lastly, it's because of natural aging that cause the slowdown of protein turnover and leading to accumulation of damaged protein. Many studies found that the higher the age is, which is the end products of glycation, the more the cross-linking to occur. Here's a few prevention tips that we can do to reduce or slow down the cross-linking in our body. Firstly, we should control our blood sugar levels to reduce glycation to produce too many AGEs, like avoid the intake of sugary drinks and eat healthy diets. Next, we can exercise regularly to improve insulin sensitivity and reduces oxidative stress. Last but not least, we can protect our skin from UV radiation to reduce the collagen cross-linking that causing wrinkled skin, like wearing sunscreen and protective clothing. COVID-19 reflects the random events of biological theory. This disease may speed up aging process, particularly in the brain, due to accumulated damage over time. COVID-19 will lead to oxidative stress, where reactive oxygen species is produced in excess. This is due to the strong immune response of the body against the virus that will produce free radicals and reduce antioxidants that will defend against the ROS. Thus, this will result in cellular damage and accelerates aging. From this article, even mild COVID-19 can lead to cognitive decline equivalent to 7 years of aging, 20 years in severe cases. Observed effects include IQ drops, memory problems, concentration issues, and difficulty in making decisions.